Breaking news that's coming in right now. Kerala Chief Minister lashes out at Rahul Gandhi again. Pinarayi Vijayan says, where is Rahul when important things happen? Rahul Gandhi is not around when important things happen. He says, we all know that the Congress cannot hold such discussions when extremely crucial issues come up in our country. When there are discussions about them, something that came up along with that was that Rahul Gandhi is never here. So Pinarayi Vijayan again taking pot shots at Rahul Gandhi. Listen in to the Kerala Chief Minister.
രാജ്യത്ത് അതീവ ഗൗരവമായ വിഷയങ്ങൾ ഉയർന്നു വരുമ്പോൾ അത്തരം വിഷയങ്ങളുടെ വലിയ ചർച്ച ഇവിടെ നടക്കുമ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ തന്നെ ഉയർന്നു വന്നൊരു കാര്യമാണ് രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധി ഇവിടെ ഇല്ല എന്നത്. ഇന്ത്യയിൽ ആ ഘട്ടത്തിലില്ല എന്നത് പല ഘട്ടങ്ങളിൽ ചർച്ച ചെയ്യപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു ഗൗരവമേറിയ രാഷ്ട്രീയ പ്രവർത്തകൻ എന്ന നില പലപ്പോഴും അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് സ്വീകരിക്കാൻ കഴിയുന്നില്ല എന്നത് ഈ രാജ്യത്തിന്റെ മുന്നിലുള്ള അനുഭവമാണ്.
My colleague KG Shibi Mole is now joining us over the phone line from Thiruvananthapuram. Shibi, the accusation which is being levelled by the Kerala Chief Minister against Rahul Gandhi, not the first time that he has taken pot shots at Rahul Gandhi.
Well, exactly, Pauline. In fact, the Kerala, if you see the local elections in Kerala, has been, the center stage was taken by the Rahul Gandhi versus Pinarayi Vijayan contest, which was something that we hadn't seen in the past, because it's always left versus Congress that is always, that's what we've seen in the past. But this election was all about Rahul Gandhi versus Pinarayi Vijayan. And 2 days before the election, we are seeing one more time Pinarayi Vijayan, the Chief Minister of Kerala, hitting out at Rahul Gandhi, saying that the Congress leaders say that he has become matured, he has changed, there's a change in him. But, coming to Kerala and taking a stand that's favoring the BJP, or taking a stand like favoring the investigative agencies of the BJP, shows that he's still immature is what he's trying to say. In fact, we remember the statement made by Rahul Gandhi that why are the ED or the central agencies not there or not going behind the Chief Minister of Kerala, but other chief ministers or other opposition ruled states. You also say 2 chief ministers are already in jail. It has not happened with the Kerala chief minister, which is what Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan is saying, that there are certain political stands and political decisions the political leader has to take, never taken. If you feel there is a change in him, then it is not there. That's this particular coming to Kerala, immature of him. It's still immature. And he also says that there's a criticism generally that whenever there is a major issue in the country, whenever there are discussions about that issue, Rahul Gandhi was never in the country. He was always outside. So all of this shows that he's still immature. He's not still capable enough as a political leader. Again, hitting out at Rahul Gandhi 3 days precisely before the Lok Sabha elections, before Kerala goes to polling booth.
Right. Shibi, just stay on with us because we're getting more news that's coming in from Kerala. Now, after Vijayan, LDF-backed Neta attacks Rahul Gandhi. LDF Neta questions Rahul's DNA. LDF Neta says, test his DNA. Is Rahul even a Gandhi? So, now personal is how this war of words has gotten as far as the LDF attacking Rahul Gandhi is concerned. Listen into what this Neta had to say.
Rahul Gandhi and the കഴിഞ്ഞ 2-3 ദിവസമായിട്ട് രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധി എന്ന ആ പേര് പോലും കൂട്ടിച്ചേർത്ത് പറയാൻ അർഹതയില്ലാത്തൊരു 4-ാംകിട പൗരനായി രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധി മാറിയെന്ന് ഞാനല്ല പറയുന്നത്. ഇന്ത്യയിലെ ഭക്ഷണം കഴിക്കുന്ന മുഴുവൻ മനുഷ്യരും കഴിഞ്ഞ 2 ദിവസമായി പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നു. എന്താ സ്ഥിതി? നെഹ്റു കുടുംബത്തിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു മനുഷ്യൻ ഉണ്ടാവും? നെഹ്റു കുടുംബത്തിന്റെ ജെനറ്റിക്സിൽ ജനിച്ച ഒരു വ്യക്തിക്ക് അങ്ങനെ പറയാൻ കഴിയുമോ? എനിക്ക് ആ കാര്യത്തിൽ നല്ല സംശയമുണ്ട്. രാഹുൽ ഗാന്ധിയുടെ DNA പരിശോധിക്കണമെന്ന അഭിപ്രായക്കാരനാണ്.
My colleague Shibi Mole is over the phone line with us from Thiruvananthapuram. That comment which was made by the LDF-backed candidate showing how personal and vitriolic the attacks from the LDF's end against Rahul Gandhi have gotten in Kerala, Shibi?
Oh, well, absolutely, because, in fact, the Chief Minister and the Chief Minister versus Rahul Gandhi fight was more about a political contest, but this time it's become a personal one. The CV Anwar, who's an MLA from the Nilambur constituency. In fact, Nilambur comes under the Wayanad parliamentary constituency, whose MP is Rahul Gandhi. So when he says that, he's actually speaking on the context of Rahul Gandhi saying that why the central agencies are not after Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. What he's trying to say is that, when by making that statement, he's in a way endorsing that what the central agencies are doing is right, and the Chief Minister of Kerala is corrupt, but the central agencies have not come after him. So it's in that context that he's saying that somebody who's born in a Nehru family, somebody who has a surname of Gandhi, should not speak like that. It's not expected out of him favoring. These are stands that favor BJP or BJP. The allegation of the opposition that BJP is using the central agency. So in that case, this is not acceptable, and I do have.
Okay, we seem to have some trouble with Shibi Mo's audio. We'll try and fix that and bring her on again. But we're staying, in fact, with Kerala, from where news, of course, is coming in Kerala. Remember,